Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to create an account on World Pay. So guys, today I'm gonna show you how to set up World Pay account. So guys, first thing that you will do is go to Google and search for dashboard World Pay, and from here click the first one, guys. And then after that, this will be the homepage of World Pay. So guys, in order for you to create an account, all you have to do is just scroll down over here until you see ready to run your business more efficiently. So guys, just click on contact our payments expert and it will redirect you to another tab. So from here guys, just provide your first name, the last name, your company, your email address as well. This is a very important thing because they will send an email to you once you have submitted this form, and then from there they will be able to identify if you are qualified to have an account on their website. And guys, after that, provide your phone number as well. And then once you provided your necessary information, you can just go ahead and click on submit. And then from there, guys, they will send you an email in order for you to proceed with the process. And from there, you will be able to create an account. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya!